Hello, my name is Eric White. Today we're going to talk about how to install new cursors. So this is assuming that you've gone out and found the cursors that you want, like I have. I went ahead and dumped them all into this folder on my desktop called Cursors. So here they are. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to Start, and then go to the Control Panel, come up here to Mouse, and go ahead and open up my mouse properties. Now here are our pointer options, and then here's our pointers. So let's say I don't like this normal select cursor. I'm going to go ahead and hit Browse. Well, actually first I've got to move my cursors over. So I'm going to pick this one cursor here, this golden pointer, and I'm going to hit Control-C for copy. And then we're going to go open up Windows Explorer by right-clicking the Start button and then left-clicking Explore. If you look in the Windows directory under C, and then you're going to see all these hidden files on mine, you should be able to just scroll right down and see the cursors directory. What we want to do in here is just right-click right in the middle here, go to New, and then Folder, and just name the folder My New Folder, or My New Cursors. And then we're going to go ahead and just Control-V as in Victor for paste. Now that cursor is in that folder. Now if I go here and I want to change my normal select cursor, I'm just going to hit Browse, and there's that new directory I created, My New Cursors. I'm going to double click there, and then I'm just going to select that cursor and then hit Open. And now it's changed my cursor to the golden one. I can hit Apply, and now my cursor is golden. That's all there is to choosing new cursors and installing them. Have fun.